In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an invoice template in QuickBooks Online using a laptop. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional invoice that reflects your brand and includes exactly the information your customers need. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account on your laptop. Make sure you're in the correct company file and that you have the permission to edit company settings. Once you're in, look toward the top right of the screen and click the gear icon labeled Settings. In the Settings panel, find the Your Company section and choose Custom Form Styles. This is where all your sales document templates live. Click New Style and select Invoice. You're creating a fresh template here, separate from the default one. Give your template a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. Something like Standard Branded Invoice works well if you plan to make multiple versions. Now it's time to customize. In the Design area, you can choose a layout, upload a logo, and adjust colors and fonts. Aim for consistency with your branding while keeping readability in mind. Dark text on a light background is best for clarity and printing. If you upload a logo, a high-resolution file with a transparent background usually looks most professional. Next, switch to the Content section. Here you can add or remove sections such as Bill To, Ship To, Item Details, and Notes. Expand each section to decide which fields to show. For example, in the header, you might include invoice number, date, and due date. In the item details, choose columns like description, quantity, rate, amount, and tax if you charge it. In the footer or message area, you can add standard notes, payment terms, or a friendly thank you line. Keep the language clear and avoid placing any sensitive information in these notes. Move over to the Emails tab to customize the email your customers receive with the invoice. Edit the subject line and message so they're concise and professional. You can keep a friendly tone while clearly stating the amount due and due date, and consider adding a brief payment instruction if needed. Again, keep it general and professional. Before you wrap up, click Preview PDF to see how everything looks. Check spacing, margins, and whether your logo and colors appear correctly. Make sure all essential details are visible and easy to read on both screen and print. When you're satisfied, click Save to finish setting up your invoice template. The template will now be available to use whenever you create an invoice. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.